Our organization uses a scaled Agile framework for scaling our Agile processes. How do we use SAP Activate?
I'll take this one. I've been having these conversations with customers for past few years now. We started having those conversations mostly with larger customers that have the bandwidth and the need for scaling agility. So if you don't know Scaled Agile framework, it's a standard that Scaled Agile organization introduced for organizations that are scaling agility. Think tens, hundreds, thousands of people that need to work in sync across the organization. So large, massive projects, typically programs and activities of that nature. When you look at Activate and Scaled Agile, there are a lot of elements that are the same. If you start from bottom of Scaled Agile, basically the way the team executes is exactly the same as we execute in Activate. The way we structure teams, the roles and responsibilities that we have in the teams, the way we manage backlog, the way we iterate and deploy on demand, that's common. That's exactly the same. As you move up that framework, you're going to start to see slight divergence or maybe a little more firm focus in Scaled Agile, where they split into these program increments and then drive all the planning and execution from those program increments. And Activate nicely fits into those increments. We're actually right now, I don't want to reveal too much and make any specific commitments because,
everybody listen.
But nobody's listening, exactly, just the three of us talking. But we're working on a white paper, a material that will help Scaled Agile framework teams adopt Activate in their environment. I have posted a blog post about it in 2019. Mm-hmm. And I don't know if Sean can find it and post it in the chat, but if you look for Scaled Agile, my last name, SAP, that's going to be the first thing that will pop up. And that details out how these two work together. So if you think about it, SAFe is how you run your environment, how you run your organization, and Activate slots into SAFe. It's not that we are trying to replace SAFe with Activate or that SAFe can replace Activate. In SAFe, you're getting this industry independent generic framework that will help you scale agility. With Activate, you're getting SAP specific project methodology or program incremented methodology, if you will, that will help you implement those program increments.